we're going to be going over what the homeowner should do monthly on their drain line, especially during the summer months and in the spring leading up into the summer months. Every unit is going to have a 3/4 inch PVC, white PVC pipe that runs out of the unit here, as so. There's a lot of different configurations with this pipe, as you may have a cap on systems that have positive airflow. You may have a vent on there, but anything going close directly in the air handling, you should have access to where you can pour a cup of bleach down. This will prevent the drain line from clogging up with algae, debris, dirt, dust. It just kind of keeps it going so you're not having those plugged drain lines as often anymore. Most units are going to have a float switch. If they do not have it on there, we need to come out and install one, because this can prevent costly damage to floors and ceilings. I'm going to pull it up right here, and as you can see, there's a little bobber on this here that is going to protect your floors and your ceilings. What happens is, as the drain line plugs up, the water level raises and raises this up here, which then cuts the unit off. Okay, so if you check your unit and you do not have this on it, this needs to be installed immediately. It is simple as just pulling it out. On this system right here, what we're going to do is, once you pull this out, you're going to pour bleach through this opening right here. It's best to do with a funnel, which you will place right in here. There's not really a set amount, but we recommend half a cup to a cup. You can mix it with water, but we prefer pure bleach, as that's going to be the most effective for keeping it clean. And be very careful, especially areas over carpet, because you don't want to make any kind of spots or damage to your floor here. And then, like so, just place your float switch back in place. One thing you do want to make sure is to turn your system off at the thermostat before you do this. You don't ever want to pull your float switch up while the unit's running, because what will happen is, if you hit this, bump this up, the unit will cut off and you can cause short cycling to the system, depending on how it's wired in. So it's highly recommended to turn your thermostat off and before you pull this out.